on, man?
Check on the car, man. Ain't talked to you since January.
Working same shit different day.
Yeah, I know how it is, man.
We got that. We got the car at the body shop.
Okay, how it's looking though? How it's looking?
Get it there a little bit. You know, we got a lot of metal work, bro.
Okay, check it out.
No, cause I don't take nobody, you know, at the body shop, you know, at the metal shop. Yeah, I mean that we do all the metal shop, all that shit over there.
Okay.
And then once I bring it here, that means it's ready for paint.
Okay, cause I'll be ready to see. I see, you know, other cats, man. They be in the back, you know, they be looking at their shit like, you know, they be looking at that. I know they spend.
Yeah, but like I say, I mean, I don't take it, you know, to the body shop and shit like that. So.
Okay, I got you.
I just met you. I don't even know you like that.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, I got you.
It's different, you know, because they, you know, it's not different because
y'all got
they brought me like 10 cars. You know what I'm saying? It's different.
Right. I got you.
Right now we're just building relationship.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? We'll go there, you know, shit. Work it out.
How much longer you think I got though?
Shit. I could say, shit. I don't know, 2 months will be ready.
Okay.
I need it out of here. I don't like having cars out here like that.
I understand. Shit. I brought the spring for the hood too. I got it in the trunk.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm gonna grab that real quick. Shit, what else? Yeah, I was just coming to check on it, man. It's been a little minute, shit. I ain't came up here since January.
Yeah, cause I told you clearly it's gonna be here a minute with the bodywork. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
They say it's saying probably like I told you before. If I get everybody knows that. If I get insurance claim, everything got to stop.
Yeah.
Boom, that shit got to go.
Well, I want to get
if I get a paint job, like a newer car paint job, I gotta do sand it down paint. I gotta go, you know, I goes in and out first. You know what I'm saying? All these projects they gotta stop. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, cause I want to get some footage for the channel, but shit, I can't even see it though.
Like I say, I'll send you videos on the. You got Instagram and shit like that?
I got Instagram, yeah. Or that's cool, yeah.
I could send you videos like I send everybody.
All right, that's cool, yeah. But can you send them on Facebook or not?
Huh? Facebook, it's Facebook.
Yeah, cause I'm on the I sent you a message. I know y'all probably busy and shit though, but
I don't do social media. Like you're recording me now, you should have told me you're recording.
Oh yeah. I mean, last time you told me shit.
Yeah, because that's
all right, you want me to stop? I stop.
No, it's cool already. We already halfway down. You know what I'm saying?
Well, he gonna chop it anyway. Whatever you don't want to be in there.
Yeah, so that's on my page is
What's going on, brother?
Let me see.
All right.
It's Michael Chu, that's my man.
I got a picture you know, I sent to my son. It's easy. I got a ready ass.
Yeah.
Let's see, I got a picture of him like that. You can send you videos or whatever.
What? Hey, what's up, brother? How you doing?
That's
cool.
Yeah, like that. He was sending video and shit like that. That's on Facebook only, right?
Yeah, that's Facebook. Yeah. So yeah, if you just send me something, I'll just throw it in the
on the messenger.
Yeah, I throw it in the video.
Yeah, so
I've been people like asking about it. I'm like, you know, I'm giving you time and shit. Just
I don't deal with people. I deal with you.
Right.
Whenever people asking you, that's on you and them. You know what I'm saying?
No, I understand the shit.
I tell that to everybody. You know what I'm saying?
That's why I ain't bothered.
Every YouTuber, the people asking me, I don't care about your people. When they ask me, I don't care about your people. I care about between you and me, and you know what the car is getting done. You know what I'm saying?
Right. Okay.
Like that is better. You know what I'm saying? And keep everybody away from whatever.
Yeah. No, I'm just saying.
What else do you got?
I got the spring for the hood. And
that's
shit.
it.
Shit, we
working
out.
Shit, you need some more bread up front.
No, we don't need no bread. Once the car's ready for paint, that's gonna make you up. Whoop.
Okay.
Once the car's ready for paint, that's gonna make you up. Right, man. Car ready for paint. Let me know when you're ready. Like that and shit. You know?
Yeah, that's why I got to pick a color and shit.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, shit, you know what I'm saying? That's for the hood. You told me that's for all.
Because everything works.
Okay. Oh, you said what, about another 2 months?
Yeah, but between body work and stuff like that, it's not too long to take. I mean, you got to cut the whole water panel. Nasty. So find a nice clean blower. Those are big.
Yeah.
Those are big. I mean, every blower that we like to make is supposed to be size. I need a clean door. I'm paying my clean door.
What?
And then talking about moving the car.
Shit, I know how it goes. I was gonna say, when I get the chicken, get on this. Yeah, man. All right, cool. We'll do it like that. All right, it's cool, man. So I done made it back to the crib now, and I'll just fill y'all in a little bit just in case y'all could hear the conversation that we was having. He was basically saying that he got the car down at the body shop where they do the actual body work, and the shop that we was at, that's where they do the actual painting, and where he had people come pick up the cars at. So I couldn't view the car. You know, I was a little bit upset about it, but overall I'm cool with it, because talked to a few other guys and they said the same thing, that he don't let you go down there to the body shop. But it would have been nice to get a little footage, especially for the channel, man. I know y'all all been looking for that car, and trust me, I've been looking and waiting for the car too, but I'm gonna be a little bit more patient. He was saying like give him another 2 months to get it done, and I'm cool with that. You know, I know PC, they get a lot of business, and he got a lot of work going on, so it is what it is, you know. Then I got other projects going on too, so I ain't gonna rush and, you know, try to get the car back. And truth be told, I don't really even got nowhere to put it right now, because my garage is full up with cars. I got cars in the driveway. Then we supposed to have some snow coming by tonight, so we'll see how things go. And you know, I got other things I'm working on, and another thing, I don't want to rush jobs. So if I go up there, keep on, you know, rushing him, and man, when you gonna get done with the car and all this and that, then, you know, he might have a little imperfection here and there. You know, I value the quality over the speed. So I'm just gonna wait. And just overall, man, I really don't care. Like, he could take his time with it whenever he get done. I know he gonna do it to perfection. So I'm gonna just wait, be patient, and I'm on the waiting list, you know, so it is what it is. But definitely want to get the car done. He done had it since January. Right now we in November, so December, January, make a whole year he done had it. But like I said, I ain't breathing down his neck. I ain't on his back. He could do his thing. I got other cars I got to worry about, other projects to get done. And when it get done, it'll get done. And when she come back, I'm ready to ride, get outside with her a little bit. Hopefully it ain't no snow on the ground. Then, you know, I could enjoy it a little bit in the wintertime before I actually throw her in the storage, then bring it back out in the spring. So we'll see how everything go. But like I said, man, I don't wanna just put a lot of pressure on him to get it done. You know, and I know some of y'all might disagree with it. And let me know how y'all feel down in the comments about, you know, the length of term he had it. Y'all think the body work should have been done, or whatever the case is. And how y'all feel about him telling me that, you know, I couldn't view the car. Do it seem like some bullshit or not? Just let me know what y'all think. You know what I'm saying? I already told y'all what I think. I don't think it's bullshit. I just think that, you know, he busy. And when he get to it, well, he already said he started already, but when he get to the finish line, then it is what it is after that. So I'm gonna sit back, just be patient, and man, like, just wait my turn. And you know, I'm kind of used to this. Anything that I want, I'll be trying to rush things, and it don't turn out right. When I sit back and just let stuff happen, don't worry about it, focus on something else, everything turn out how it's supposed to. So I'm gonna take that route this time, and I just wanted to fill y'all in, you know, just in case y'all weren't really comprehending on what we were saying. You know, I know the audio wasn't the best in the video, so got a few other projects coming. I don't want to tell y'all what I got coming next, but some a little old, but not an old school, but it's some a little older project I'm working on. Y'all see that in the next video. But I appreciate y'all rocking with me. Leave everything down in the comments and let me know how y'all feel, man. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.